Dave Gonzalez, explosive new evidence. He is prompting the state court now to go after two former sheriff's deputies, Logan August and Derek Penny, now facing another list of charges related to stealing and selling marijuana.
They're already pleaded guilty in federal court last year to similar charges, but they didn't go to prison. Instead, the two got probation and community service. Eyewitness News reporter Kristen Powers tells us why this time the disgraced deputies may get some time.
Just when they thought their own legal troubles were over, former deputies Logan August and Derek Penny found themselves reunited in handcuffs Tuesday, both pleading not guilty to numerous new felony charges after the Kern County grand jury handed down an indictment. August faces 15 charges. Penny faces 7. Both include conspiracy to steal and sell marijuana from the sheriff's department, filing false police reports, and not reporting their income from drug sales.
We're talking about seizing drugs, stealing drugs, and putting them back on the streets for our kids and our children.
Sheriff Donnie Youngblood says he thinks the two got off easy with the federal government after admitting to taking about 25 pounds of pot in 2014. Youngblood is confident there was more corruption in the department, and when the feds closed their investigation, he opened his own.
When someone betrays this occupation, this uniform, this badge, we don't take it lightly.
He says the feds didn't want to get involved again, so he asked the district attorney's office to take over.
We discovered additional crimes, and we can allow them to get away with it, or we can conduct a proper investigation and do what we did.
We're not talking about prosecuting two people for crimes they've already been prosecuted for. There's additional evidence that was uncovered.
The indictment lists crimes that span from 2014 into 2015. And a big difference is in the amount of pot they are accusing August and Penny of stealing.
We are talking about not 25 pounds of marijuana, but 350 pounds of marijuana.
After August's arrest last week, his attorney, David Torres, called this a vengeful prosecution, saying this case has already been settled and the new charges are an abuse of power.
And I want to be very clear, there is an abuse of power involved in this case, but it's not from me. It's from two people wearing the uniform, wearing a badge that abused their power. And I have no sympathy.